got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is going to be $12 and some change, going 3 miles, 3 items. This one should be a really good one. Looks like we've got some cold medicine, cough drops, and some chocolate. Somebody's not feeling too well this holiday season. This is the only replacement. Alright, they're not replying, so executive decision time. They're accepting it no matter what.
For items without barcode.
Okay, well, I tried. Gave them a substitute, messaged them about it. They never read it, but as soon as I was checking out, it said customer requested a refund on this item. So pretty sure that means I'm not getting full pay for this order because I had 1 substituted item and 1 refunded item. I just got the next order. This one's going to be for Chick-fil-A. $9 going just under 4 miles. Alright, we're canceling that one because this one is just way better. It says a shop and deliver for Safeway. $15 going 4 miles, 2 items. I always love when I get 2 items on the complete opposite corners of the store. Lots of walking time to reconsider life.
Well, if you have your club card,
Yet another order I'm probably not going to get full pay for because I had to substitute the flowers. I didn't see anything similar to what they had ordered, and there was no employee working the floral department apparently. Hello.
hello.
There you are.
Thank you so much.
You have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, if I have time between orders, I'm definitely gonna stop by home and get something for the rain because I am getting soaked. I didn't realize it was gonna be this bad. Next up, we've got a stack I think is going to the same person. We've got Voodoo Donut and Muchas Gracias, $10 going just about 5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Also, I decided against going home. It's still raining, but it's not as bad. Thank you. It says, do not knock or ring the doorbell, please. Frowny face. Just be quiet, thanks. Extra smiley face. Also, can you make sure the hamburger is on a bun? 5 guys only. Every time I order, I've been getting no bun, frowny face. What? I mean, it says 5 guys only, so I don't gotta worry about that, but still, I'm so confused on that. Why would they not put your burger on a bun? Just got the next order. This one's going to be a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $10 going 5 miles, only 2 items. Meet at door, huh? Oh, this is going to school. Looks like their break room is all out of coffee. That would make sense. Okay. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Kimdara.
Next order just came in. It's going to be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $17 going 6.5 miles, only 2 items. Only concern here is holiday shoppers. Hopefully it's not packed. So apparently I got water inside of my charging port, so I can't charge it. And it's been this way for probably an hour now. Current time is 9:38, and my current charge is at 45. And then just a scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Okay. All right. Ooh, and a hidden tip on there. I'll take it. Total ended up being $20. All right, next order up. This one is not the greatest, but it is convenient to me. I'm kind of outside of the zone just by a little bit. And this is picking up pretty much at the first stop when entering it. This is going to Carl's Jr., 750 going just under 5 miles.
Hello. Here you go.
Thank you.
You have a nice day.
You as well. I got the next order as I was dropping that one off. This is going to be for Chick-fil-A, $9 and some change going just under 3 miles. Ooh, this one could be really, really good. Oh, do I take this though? Shop and deliver for alcohol, $23 going 8 miles, 11 items though. I think I might accept it just to see what I'm shopping for. And if it's too much, I'll unassign. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, it looks like it's a bunch of wine, multiples of each. I think I'm gonna take this. Well, my concern has been brought up again. This place is packed. Three of these. Four of these. Three of these. Current time is 10:37. Current phone charge, we are at 26%. And then just a scribble on that line for me.
Oh, hold on. I was doing it down low. Oh, yeah.
Good enough for me. Okay, well, I don't know how long exactly it's gonna take for my phone to dry up, but it's still not letting me charge, so I think I might just have to call it. Current time is 10:45. Current total is 102, and I have one Uber tip yet to come in, so probably gonna be close to 110 for the day. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.